If this is your first time by watching my prompt engineering video, watch this video completely. After that, go to my LionAI YouTube channel. Go to my LionAI YouTube channel. This is my LionAI YouTube channel. Then go to playlist. There is prompt engineering video series. You can learn so many things about prompt engineering. Role-based prompting means the model is instructed to assume a specific person. You can use this way to instruction to the model. Let's go to the practical exam. I write like that. Act as you are university lecturer. So question paper for the paper based management system module. I run this prompt. So you can see ChatGPT question paper for that, and also he act as a university lecturer.